You're an owner of McDonald's stock. So as an investor, how do you feel today?
Look, it's a strange day for McDonald's investors because Steve Easterbrook, on some level, was considered to be a lightning rod for bringing this company forward in terms of getting technical, bringing technology, changing the menu, becoming more of a healthful choice for investors after years of people being very concerned about fast food. Steve Easterbrook brought an international dynamic to the company that's always been a flagship part of the McDonald's story, but really accentuated where they have an advantage and they have markets around the world that truly this is still a major iconic brand. It's obviously one here. So it's a sad day for the company. It's a difficult day for investors. But I think a lot of the news in terms of McDonald's and the story and the fundamentals and really the bottom up here are it's very positive. I don't think you're going to change the continuity here in terms of the stewardship at the company, which has been very important for the last 3 years.
All right, Tim, quick question to follow up on that. Are you a buyer then of this stock as the stock moves lower? We've seen charts here. From a record high, it's fallen fairly decently from those levels. Is this a time to be buying McDonald's stock?
I think you have to be watchful of the news flow in the next 48 hours. But from what we've heard here about the change and the roots of the change, there's nothing in terms of the company that scares me off here. In fact, I think you're a buyer on weakness. Look, McDonald's is off 18% off the highs. It's drastically underperformed the S&P since August, where a lot of its restaurant peers and fast food and quick serve players have. And I think some of that is the pain in the stock is really related to just a market rotation overall. The valuation got a little rich for itself, but that entire group re-rated as people were looking for high free cash flow companies that were benefiting from a consumer, at least at the lower end, that was doing very well in terms of jobs, et cetera. So I don't think you run away from this stock, and I think you're looking at an opportunity to be buying weakness. Steve Easterbrook was important, but McDonald's is an iconic brand, and as we talked about, Chris Kempinski certainly has been there and knows what's going on and part of this continuity.